Hello, this is the rocket design which I have designed for the DRDC Digital Rocket Design Challenge. Now talking at the overall specification of the rocket, which is 555 cm in length and the maximum diameter of rocket is 18 cm. The total mass of the rocket including the two motors which are mounted is 75 kg. Now let us look at the different components of the rocket and their specifications. First is the nose cone. The nose cone is ogive in shape and it is made up of cardboard. The length of the nose cone is 50 cm and the base diameter is 14 cm. The wall thickness is 0.5 cm. The nose cone has been given a shoulder of 13.5 cm and of length 4 cm so that it can be inserted into the body tube, and which is also helpful in attaching it with the body tube. Inside the nose cone, a nose cone payload has been fixed so that it can carry any type of tracking system or navigating system. The mass of this payload can be up to 5.8 kg. The length of this payload is 40 cm and the diameter is 7 cm. This is the first body tube, which is a payload tube since it carries the payload. It is made up of plywood birch material. The length of the body tube is 60 cm and the outer diameter is 14 cm and the inner diameter is 13 cm. A tube coupler is used to attach two different bolt tubes. Here a tube coupler of outer diameter 14 cm and inner diameter of 13 cm is been used, and it is made up of polystyrene material. The wall thickness is 0.5 cm and the length of this tube coupler is 15 cm. The same specifications have been used for all the tube couplers which have been used in this rocket. Talking about the payload, it is the normal payload in the rocket. The mass of the payload is up to 15 kg. Approximate density is 2.75 gram per centimeter square. The length is 52.5 cm and the diameter is 11.5 cm. A payload block has been also fixed so that the payload is at stationary position. The diameter of the payload block is 14 cm and the thickness is 1.2 cm and it is made with the polystyrene material. Now the next tube is the parachute tube, since it has the parachute and the shock cord. The length of this tube is 60 cm and the outer diameter is 14 cm. Inner diameter is also 13 cm and it is made with the plywood birch material. The bulkhead and the tube coupler are of the same specifications as used before. The bulkhead and the tube couplers have been given the same specification throughout the designing of the rocket. Now parachute. Talking about the parachute, its length is 25 cm and the diameter is 10.5 cm. And the shroud lines are 10 in number and its length is 30 cm. The material used in the shroud line is elastic cord, which is flat 6 mm 1 by 4 inches. A shock cord is of 40 cm in length and the shock cord material is also as same as the shroud line material. Now in the next body tube, first motor has been attached. The length of this body tube is 172 cm and the outer diameter is 14 cm. Inner diameter is 13 cm. The material used is same, that is plywood birch. Inside this, a inner tube of outer diameter 11 cm and inner diameter of 9.8 cm has been attached so that it can mount the required motor. This inner tube is made up of cardboard. The length of the inner tube is 152 cm. To support the motor inserted in the inner tube, 3 centering ring has been attached. The specification of all the 3 centering ring is same, that is, the outer diameter is 14 cm, inner diameter is 11 cm, thickness is 0.953 cm, and all are made up of cardboard. A engine block is used so that it can stop the motor from moving forward in the motor mount tube. The same has been attached in this tube, where its outer diameter is 11 cm and inner diameter is 9.8 cm. Length is 2 cm. Now a trapezoidal fin set has been attached to this body tube. The number of fins are 4. Root chord is 12 cm, tip chord is 10 cm, height is 12 cm, sweep length is 4.5 cm, sweep angle is 20.6 degree. And the material used in these fins is PVC material. Now next, a transition has been added so that a bigger body tube of bigger diameter can be used. Here the transition length is of 7.5 cm. The fore diameter or the starting diameter is 14 cm and after diameter is 18 cm. And this transition is made up of cardboard. Now the last body tube holds the second motor mounted on the rocket. The body tube length is 200 cm, outer diameter is 18 cm, inner diameter is 17 cm and it is made with the plywood birch material. Now in this, an inner tube has been attached of outer diameter is 16.2 cm, inner diameter is 15.2 cm and it is made with the cardboard material. Length is 183 cm. Now same 3 centering ring of same specification have been attached so that they can support the motor mounted. The specification of the centering ring used in this tube are: the outer diameter of the centering ring is 18 cm, inner diameter is 16.2 cm and the thickness is same as the previous ones, that is 9.53 cm. A engine block has been attached in this tube too, whose inner diameter is 15.2 cm, outer diameter is 16.2 cm and the length is 2 cm. At end, a trapezoidal fin set whose number of fins are 3 is attached. The other specifications include: the root chord is 14 cm, tip chord is 15 cm, height is 7.7 cm, sweep length is 4.5 cm and sweep angle is 30.3 degree. This is the overall design of the rocket and brief explanation of all the parts of the rocket. Now let us discuss the motors used in this rocket. Mainly, we have used 2 rocket motor in this rocket. The first motor is Contrail rocket manufacturer motor, whose designation is M2700, whose total impulse is 6081, which is a hybrid type of motor, whose diameter is 98 mm and length is 1524 mm. The second motor used is also from the same manufacturer, that is Contrail Rockets, whose designation is O6300. Total impulse is 29,185. Type of rocket is hybrid. Diameter is 152 mm and length is 1829 mm. These are the two rocket motors used. Now let us look at the flight simulation. I will create a new simulation 1 using the two motors. I will keep the launch conditions as the fixed in this software previously. Simulate and plot. I will select some custom plot configurations along with time. Let's plot this. So this is the graph. Roll rate is in red color, which is this. Roll moment coefficient, blue line. This is the simulation 1 roll characteristic. Now let us plot against vertical acceleration. This is the vertical acceleration. Now let us stability versus time. Altitude. Stability margin caliber is in red. CP location in centimeter is in blue. And CG location is in green, which is in centimeter. This is same. Angle of attack is in red color, whereas the vertical orientation, which can be seen here, is in blue, and the green line is of lateral orientation. Now against total acceleration, propellant mass, air temperature, and we can select speed of sound. Plot. This is the graph. Now let us look at the simulation result. This is the configuration of our motor. Velocity off-road is 21.1 meter per second. The maximum apogee attained by the rocket is 5,501 meter. Velocity is 351 meter per second. Optimum delay is 30.1 second. Maximum velocity is 351 meter per second. Maximum acceleration is 230 meter per second square. Time to reach the apogee is 33.4 second. Flight time or time of flight is 68.2 second, and ground heat velocity is 291 meter per second. We can try different simulation using different motor specification or different motors. Now let me show the rocket little closely. These are the parts of the rocket, starting from the nose cone, body tube, payload, parachute, shock cord. Then comes the first motor, fins, transition. Then comes the second motor and fins. This is the rocket design. Let me show the back view. This is the back view. This is the 3D figure of the rocket. This is the 3D unfinished figure. And this is the 3D finished figure. and the apogee attained by the rocket is 5606 meter. Maximum velocity is 355 meter per second at Mach number 1.05. Maximum acceleration is 229 meter per second square. And the center of gravity is 295 centimeter. Center of pressure is 329 centimeter at Mach number 0.30. Stability of rocket is 1.86. Thank you.